today's video, I've actually managed to find a working method to get you free Steam gift card codes in 2024. You're going to be able to get, I believe it's $100 completely free straight into your Steam account using a simple Steam gift card code. And I'm going to show you exactly where to go ahead and do this, guys. This is super simple. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes, but this is going to get you a redeem code that you can enter in your Steam account, and it's going to give you some credit to spend on anything you want. This is a rewards website that I discovered, and it is simply awesome, guys. It's going to allow you to get tons of free Steam gift cards. So you've got to open up the internet on your mobile. So you can see here, guys, I'm using an iPhone. It doesn't matter which mobile phone you have. Just make sure you do have an internet connection, of course, and head on over to the following rewards website, guys. www.wavyrewards.com. So Wavy Rewards, guys. This rewards website is brand new, and I discovered them earlier this morning. And basically, guys, you follow these instructions on this page, and you're going to be able to get a ton of different rewards, including, of course, a free Steam gift card. So it says here, receive a reward by completing quick, easy and fun tasks. And then there is a 3-step guide here telling you how to do it. So it says, click the button to see your selection of tasks and make sure you're on a mobile device. It says choose and complete 2 of the tasks and follow the instructions for each carefully, and then you can go ahead, choose and claim your desired reward. So pretty obvious, guys. You need to click this claim now button, and you're going to see a list of tasks, and you need to choose and fully complete 2 of them. There will be instructions telling you how to complete them, so do just make sure you follow the instructions. And if you've done everything correctly, I'm just going to skip forward to save time. But if you've done everything correctly, you're then going to see this page here, guys, where you can literally go ahead, scroll down and choose whatever reward you want. So if you fully complete 2 tasks, you're going to be able to choose anything on this page, including, of course, free Steam gift card codes. And you can get a $100 gift card for completely free, guys. And you would go ahead and click show coupon. So basically, guys, if you followed the instructions and fully completed 2 tasks on the rewards website, this will be fully unlocked. Obviously, I just skipped forward, so yeah, this is still protected, but basically this will be fully revealed and you can redeem it in your Steam account for a free $100. So that is all you have to do, guys. Head on over to wavyrewards.com, follow the instructions here and redeem your reward. Enjoy, guys. Smash the like button if you got your free Steam gift cards, and I'll see you in the next one.